Case name Dr. Ratnavir, age is 35 years, and today date is 14th of October 2024, and complaint of change in voice from puberty.
Yes, since puberty.
And high pitch voice also.
Yes.
And ENT finding is like mucosa congested with inter-arytenoid mucosa hypertrophy, and there is a query laryngitis. So tell about your problem, how you came.
Hi, I am Dr. Ratnavir. So since my puberty, the voice has not been changed. The same voice is since my childhood. Usually it will be it changed from after puberty, but it has not been changed. So whenever I call somebody, so they respond me like if like a female is talking, and they address me as ma'am or like that. So so since that high pitched voice is there, so I came here.
Post therapy video of Dr. Ratnavir, and today date is 21st of October 2024. So Dr. Ratnavir, just tell us why you came here and how do you feel after this 8 days of voice therapy?
Hi, my name is Dr. Ratnavir. I came from Gulbarga. Usually I initially when the problem was that I had a high pitched voice, due to which I was facing a lot of problems in my career side. That whenever I call somebody, they will recognize as a female and address me as a female. So it was very disappointing. So that's why I came to Dr. Sanjay sir for my voice therapy, and this is the day 7th of my voice therapy. So I'm very happy that I gained my real voice, and I'm very surprised.
So what are the reactions you are getting after when you're calling to your friends and the family members on the phone call?
I just called my mom with the other number, and she didn't recognize my voice. And even I called a lot of friends, and they were surprised that your voice has totally changed. They didn't recognize anyone.
And what was the ENT finding, laryngoscopy finding?
I had a congestion over the arytenoids. Congestion was there.
And in spite of that, it was challenging. I told you in the beginning, because of your motivation, you continued the therapy, and this is the result. So yes. I'm also very happy for you.
Yes, sir, because all of your motivation, I can do it. So even I didn't had that faith that I will gain my voice, because all of your guidance and faith, sir. Thanks.
So you are a doctor. So in which field you have done your graduation?
I done my MBBS from JJ Medical College, Gulbarga, and I'm currently practicing as Administrative Medical Officer in Gulbarga.
Okay, thank you so much for being a doctor. Also, you have shown a faith on us. So this is really going to help many people, those who are confused. Is it really going to work, or it's a fake video, or it's a real video? So it is going to help many people, your video. Yes. So can we use your video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yes, sir, sure, you can use it.
Thank you so much. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see positive changes in his voice, please like this video, share this video, so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. Thanks for watching.